CFMOTO NK800 popular 2024 motorcycles. CFMOTO, renowned for its commitment to innovation and quality in motorcycle manufacturing, is excited to introduce the 2024 NK800, a powerhouse designed to set new standards in the performance motorcycle segment. The NK800, with its blend of exceptional power, advanced technology, and modern aesthetics, is poised to captivate both seasoned riders and motorcycle enthusiasts alike. The heart of the 2024 NK800 is a formidable 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, engineered to deliver an impressive 95 horsepower and 64 lb-ft of torque. This robust powertrain ensures thrilling acceleration and dynamic top-end performance, making the NK800 a perfect companion for both urban commuting and exhilarating weekend rides. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch, which ensures smooth and precise gear changes while reducing rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Design-wise, the NK800 stands out with its aggressive yet sophisticated look. The motorcycle features sharp, angular lines and a muscular stance, emphasizing its sporty nature. The sculpted fuel tank, minimalistic tail section, and full LED lighting system, including distinctive headlights and taillights, not only enhance visibility but also contribute to the bike's striking appearance. Available in several bold color options, the NK800 is designed to make a statement on any road. Rider comfort and ergonomics are integral to the NK800's design. The motorcycle boasts a comfortable, well-contoured seat that is positioned at an accessible height, making it suitable for riders of various statures. The upright riding position, complemented by wide handlebars and adjustable foot pegs, ensures a comfortable and commanding riding posture. The advanced suspension system, featuring an inverted front fork and a rear monoshock, is meticulously tuned to offer a smooth and responsive ride across diverse terrains. The 2024 NK800 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that enhances both the riding experience and convenience. A full-color TFT display provides clear and comprehensive information, including speed, fuel level, and trip data. This modern instrument panel also supports smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing riders to access navigation, music, and calls seamlessly. The motorcycle features multiple riding modes, such as Sport, Rain, and Eco, enabling riders to tailor the bike's performance to different riding conditions and preferences. Safety is a top priority for CFMOTO, and the NK800 is equipped with a range of advanced safety features. Dual-channel ABS ensures stable and controlled braking on all surfaces, while traction control enhances stability during acceleration. The bike's LED lighting system improves visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring safe rides at night. Additionally, the NK800 comes with cornering ABS and cruise control, further enhancing safety and comfort during long journeys. The 2024 NK800 is designed for riders who seek uncompromised performance, cutting-edge technology, and modern design, said a CFMOTO spokesperson. This model embodies our commitment to delivering high-quality motorcycles that cater to the diverse needs of contemporary riders. The release of the 2024 NK800 has already sparked significant interest among motorcycle enthusiasts and dealerships. As CFMOTO continues to expand its lineup, the NK800 exemplifies the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence in motorcycle manufacturing. With its competitive pricing and standout features, the 2024 NK800 is set to become a popular choice in the performance motorcycle segment. It invites riders to experience the thrill of the road with a perfect blend of power, technology, and comfort, promising a versatile and exhilarating ride.